Hello, welcome back. In this video, we briefly want to talk about how to understand the order slash delivery status. Let's head to our browser. So here, let's go to our order user center. Go to our order. So at the order stage, either your international order or your Chinese order, there are some status that you need to understand what it means when you see it. So when you go to your order and you see invalid order, it's either your order has been cancelled or is out of stock and therefore needs to be cancelled, or there is a problem with the particular order, which a note will be left for you, or you can contact customer service on the website to see the reason for it being cancelled. So you can check that by going to invalid orders to see cancelled orders. And when you see a status of an order changed to submit to ship, which means you have already submitted the particular parcel or order to ship for it to be shipped for you. And you can also see that when you come to this tab, you can see is that here you see all submitted orders here with their shipping or the order or the package weight being displayed for you. When you go back to all, everything with every order detail will be given unto you. Every order detail will be viewed here. Then when you see a status changed to arrived, submitted all my arrived orders, I've submitted all, you see them in warehouse tab. When you want to see the items that have arrived in the warehouse that having status arrived, you see them over here. But unfortunately, I currently do not have any arrived products, so you can see them over here. So for you to have an in-depth knowledge about the order status, you can go to the footer of the website, hit on knowledge base. If it's not working, you can just hit, they'll bring it to this page. Then you just have to locate beginner guide, the new beginner guide. And then you can read the various articles and we can see the order and delivery status. You can get an in-depth knowledge about it. So when it's pending, it means the original status after you've placed an order, you submitted an order. Processing, order have been distributed to the buyer. Purchasing, the buyer are ordering goods to the merchant, which means Cssbuy is purchasing. You don't normally see this status. Purchased or ordered, it means it has been ordered from the seller already. No stock, it means it's out of stock. So you can go through all to understand the buying and delivery status on Cssbuy. Thank you.